Evan Miracle is a customer service representative for Blackboard Student Services in Somerset, Kentucky.
At our core, what our company does out here at Blackboard Student Services is we're a 24/7 contact center for students and faculty members around the country and around the world. We handle front-end IT, enrollment, and one-stop financial aid questions. They're one of the largest employers in this county. We currently have about 400 staff on site. Evan is a customer service representative for our company here, and his primary role and responsibility is a front-end advisor. He's handling phone calls. He's fielding phone calls for us from students, instructors, staff members at colleges and universities around the world.
Each call can vary from a very small issue like a login problem, like they need their password reset, or to a very high-end issue. Maybe they're in the class right then and there. They need somebody to the class right now because their projector is not working. I'll go through everything I can to try to get your issue solved. I try to keep a positive vibe about everything, causing as little frustration with for the caller about the issue.
How did vocational rehabilitation help?
I remember the connection with the call with Nancy very well. She just called out, said that there was a client of hers that was applying and looking for work and was seeing if we were currently hiring. We were hiring at that point. I told her the process he would need to go through, and Evan went through the steps just as every other employee did.
I've worked with Evan for about 5 years now. I started working with him when he was a sophomore in high school, and he has always had a big interest in computers. I made some contacts and did some networking and got him the interview, and that's as far as I went, and he did it all himself afterwards.
Tell us about your accommodations.
My eye disease is Stargardt's disease, which is a mutation in my ABCA4 gene. The corrupted genes will, in a sense, eat away quite literally at your vision.
We referred him to our assistive technologist specialist, Eric Hart. Eric Hart came out here and evaluated his technology needs.
The accommodations I've gotten are through the Office of the Blind, which are a large print keyboard and a large screen that are 28-inch each. So they help me a lot with being able to put my multiple windows on the screen. So it really helps improve my speed at the calls.
I was concerned that he would be able to navigate and function through our multiple screen setup, and so I was, there was a little concern that that might be a struggle with him, but I was quickly silenced.
What would you say to other employers thinking about hiring people with disabilities?
My recommendation would be make sure you're not missing out on this population of folks. This is most certainly an employee's market right now, so you need to make sure that you're looking at all sources and all candidates, and know that these are really some of the best people out there the folks that I've brought in with any type of small, moderate, or even severe accommodation or handicap or challenge have been some of my very best employees. So I would just encourage folks to make sure you're taking a close look at this very important workforce.